Let's explore the limitations of large language models, LLMs, like those powering ChatGPT. While these models are powerful tools, they come with a set of inherent limitations that impact their functionality and effectiveness. Understanding these limitations is crucial for users who rely on these technologies in various applications. First, accuracy and reliability. LLMs can generate incorrect or misleading information. Despite their extensive training, they do not understand information in the human sense, but rather predict text based on patterns learned from their training data. This can lead to errors, especially with complex or nuanced topics. For instance, when asked to solve a mathematical problem, ChatGPT might provide a plausible-looking but incorrect response. Second, bias. LLMs can reflect or amplify biases present in their training data. Since they learn from existing text, any biases in that text, such as gender, racial, or ideological biases, can be reproduced in the model's responses. This is a significant challenge that developers are continually working to address. For example, LLMs might generate biased content if trained on text containing societal stereotypes. At Hoja, we experienced this firsthand when, before corrective measures, we asked to generate images of physicists, with 70% of the renders being white males. Third, stakeholder involvement. Engage with various stakeholders, including educators, staff, administrative personnel, and end users. Their insights will provide a more comprehensive understanding of the practical needs and the potential impact of AI tools within the organization. Fifth, ethical concerns. The use of LLMs raises ethical questions, particularly concerning privacy, consent, and the potential for misuse. For example, LLMs can be used to generate fake news or misleading content, which can manipulate public opinion or cause reputational damage. There have been instances where LLMs have produced harmful content such as hate speech or extremist propaganda, highlighting the ethical risks associated with their use. Lastly, resource intensity. Training and operating LLMs require significant computational power and energy, which can have environmental impacts. The resources needed to train and run these models are substantial, making them less accessible for smaller organizations or individuals. For example, training a model like GPT-4 involves extensive computational resources that contribute to its carbon footprint. By being aware of these limitations, users can better navigate the risks and challenges associated with LLMs, ensuring more responsible and informed use of these technologies.